Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're going to draw a butterfly. First, let's draw the head, a circle, and two small circles inside for the eyes. Draw a little curve for the mouth, and now let's make the eyes sparkly. Draw two small circles and one a little bit bigger and envelope it with a circle. Draw the antennae, just a curve and a twirl. And let's draw the body. Draw the lines inside the body for the segments. And then let's draw the wings. Just a curve and another curve, that's the wing. Let's make one more time. It's like the shape of love, a heart, and we're done with it. Now, draw another one, a smaller one inside each wing, just like this. And then don't forget to draw some circle, big, small, on the two sides. And it's done. It's very beautiful, right? Now it's time for us to color. Are you ready? Let's color now. Color the eyes black. I colored the head with salmon color, it's a light one, and the body, the lightest shade of orange. Then I colored the border inside the body brown and also the segment just like this. And then for the wing, I want it to be bright with pink. The small one inside is pink, while the ones at the outer one will be brown, dark brown, so it's gonna be pop up like what I said before. Now I'm coloring the wings brown, dark brown. It's gonna be very pop out with the circle gonna be bright color. After I finish with the wings, I'm gonna color the circle, so make it pop up with the brightest color or the darkest color of yellow, dark blue, Tosca, and green. Now it's done. It's very beautiful, right? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.